A small repair, but important. It just doesn't look good when the fence is falling apart. So it turns out the a limb fell off the maple tree and hit this one right here and snapped it in half. So it was right here, so I was able to take the nails out of it. I just made a rough diamond, got the right screws, screwed it in, and then screwed it up here. And then I noticed there was a loose one here a while back, so the reason is because it wanted to warp out. So I pushed that back in, tapped it, and then put some screws in that and another one over there. Otherwise it looked pretty good. There's probably other loose ones, but it looks pretty good, so I think we're okay here. Got a little bow going on here, but yeah, I'm not sure why. And then up here, I noticed a couple loose ones here too. So I'm going to put a screw in each one of these. And I noticed the nails are, the nails are fairly short, but they go in, I guess they go in far enough. They're pretty small, but I'm putting screws in. That should hold it better. And that way I can pull it in nice and tight. Okay, so sometimes you got to do a little fence repair. And I really like the fence though. It's great for the dogs, privacy. Just, I definitely believe in fences. Just nice. Okay, let's finish our little repair and maybe call it a night.